What's up? How it's made? Episode number 3. We're going to paradiddle number 3, which is going to be the double at the beginning. Right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. But there is one thing, we need to really practice the double stroke in a few different options, because these double strokes at the beginning of the paradiddle means you're going to play the accent on the first hit of the double stroke. But we want to prevent that your double stroke is going to sound really closed, because if you play the accent on the first beat of the double, it's going to sound closed. We want an open double stroke sound, which you get by playing the accent on the second hit of the double stroke. Here are the 2 examples, so you can hear the difference on the practice pad. Take 2. Before we're gonna learn to groove with the third paradiddle pattern, we need to practice the double. So we're gonna take that double through an exercise, moving the double, which I'll show you in a sheet on the screen somewhere here, or maybe next shot, I don't know. You'll see. So moving the double in an exercise like so. So I don't want to let you go empty-handed and just with an exercise on the snare. On the practice pad, sorry. So we're going to grab the second bar of the double stroke exercise, where we start with a single right hand, and we're going to play that on the hi-hat and the snare actually. And we're gonna make a groove variation. Not really a groove, but not really a fill. A groove variation is what I like to call it. We're going to have to add the bass drum. And you'll see on the sheet So that's for today. Next week I'm gonna discuss the third paradiddle and how to make a groove with it. Ciao!